Hey there, amazing homeowners. Are you ready to save some cash and keep your home safe? We've got some electrifying news for you. Get a whopping £50 off your electrical installation condition report. That's right, folks, your safety just got more affordable. An Eicr is crucial for ensuring your home's electrical systems are safe and sound. But hold on. This electrifying offer won't last forever. Act now and snag this deal before it disappears on the 30th of September 2024. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. So what are you waiting for? Call us today or visit our website to book your Eicr and quote Eicr Summer Saver to claim your £50 discount. Remember, safety first, savings second. Let's keep your home safe together. Don't miss out on this amazing offer. Act fast, and let's make your home a safer place. See you soon. Subscribe to our Bright Sparks newsletter for more offers and updates. Stay safe, stay smart.